What if scientists discovered a whole new phase of matter, whole new state of matter? That would be a pretty big deal, right? It'd be huge. It'd be all over the news. Now, what if that state of matter was intertwined with time in its structure? That would be huge. That would be fucking enormous. It'd be everywhere. Well, apparently not. This is a crazy, crazy story. I'm just blown away that it's not everywhere. Apparently, scientists at Maryland and Harvard discovered a new state of matter they're calling time crystals. And it is actually redundant in time, and it constitutes a new class of materials. And yet, let's read this article. Scientists unveil new form of matter, time crystals. To most people, crystals mean diamond bling, semi-precious gems, or perhaps the jagged amethyst or quartz crystals beloved by collectors. To Norman Yao, these inert crystals are the tip of the iceberg. If crystals have an atomic structure that repeats in space like the carbon lattice of a diamond, why can't crystals also have a structure that repeats in time? That is, a time crystal. In a paper published online last week in the journal Physical Review Letters, the UC Berkeley assistant professor of physics describes exactly how to make and measure the properties of such a crystal, and even predicts what the various phases surrounding the time crystal should be, akin to the liquid and gas phases of ice. This is not mere speculation.
This is not Russia!
Two groups followed Yao's blueprint and have already created the first ever time crystals. For the last half century, we have been exploring equilibrium matter like metals and insulators. We are just now starting to explore a whole new landscape of non-equilibrium matter. While Yao is hard put to imagine a use for a time crystal other than proposed phases of non-equilibrium matter theoretically hold promise as nearly perfect memories and may be useful in quantum computers. When I look at the dialogue in the mainstream media, I really begin to question how we will face the questions that lie ahead, especially if we're blindsided by them.